Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the Cobra Walkie Talkies. So, with these walkie talkies, I do want to thank Cobra for actually gifting this to me. So, what's really neat about it is that it has a 37-mile range. Okay, so that's about 60 kilometers. But with that, of course, that's not accounting for any obstructions that might be happening while you're hiking, camping, or out there in the wilderness. But what you have here is it comes with rechargeable batteries. You have the actual charging cable. Each of the walkie talkies are able to clip on, and they also do float as well. And so with it, you can kind of see you have the volume, different channels, different modes, and as well as a flotation device in case you do drop this in the water. It is waterproof as well. So with these Cobra walkie-talkies, it's got Vibe Alert where it's going to go ahead and alert you via vibration. And you also have hands-free operation as well. So really neat. Can't wait to use it. Just because we go camping a lot, we do plan on using these walkie-talkies. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.